Welcome back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Kimberly, here to draw an American flag with you today in honor of Veterans Day. Let's draw this flag as it's waving in the air, so let's get started. First thing I want you to do is draw a straight line for the pole. So think about pulling your arm rather than pushing it, and that will help you achieve a straighter line. Our flag is going to be broken up into 3 sections. So this first part, I'm going to do a curved line. It's just one of 3 sections. Underneath is going to curve the same angle as the top. And then I'll connect those 2 together. Second section, you are going to do it again. Something maybe just a little bit smaller. You're going to give me a curved line, dropping this line below your top line. And then the bottom part of that flag is going to drop below that bottom line, but it's going to have the same curvature as the line above it. And then once you have that, connect those 2 lines together. Second section. Ready for the third section. This part is the smallest one, so drop that top line below your last line. This one I drew out a little bit more straight, as you can see. Your bottom line drops below that last line, and then connect them. Notice the third section is the smallest. The top angle matches the bottom angle, which means this time they're straight. Now we have to connect the bottom of our flag. So as you can see here, I draw a straight line, and then from the corner to the corner of the flag, I'll connect that. Looks like a triangle. Let's do it again. From the flag down to the bottom, corner to corner, there's my second triangle. This is the folds in the fabric. If you color that in, you'll get a clearer idea that that is the shading in the fabric. Come back to your flagpole, and I want you to draw a curved line into the flag. This way it'll look like it's tied to the flag. You can draw a circle at the top of the flagpole, and then go ahead and draw another line beside the flagpole, making it look like it's... So now we're going to draw the blue rectangle that the stars are in on the flag, and this is in the middle of the flag. So that bottom line you're going to draw on a curvature, the same that matches that section of that flag. The blue section will actually extend into section number 2 of the flag. So give yourself a little bit of a line matching the same curvature of that section of the flag, dropping that line down below the first one, and then connect it to the top. Because this is a simple illustrated flag, you could throw just a couple stars and call it a day, or you could try for something a little bit more. Let's switch gears and try a practice star. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can clean it up, make sure that line at the top is straight across, and color it in at the end. Coming back to our flag, I am putting in a few curved lines. Notice it matches the curvature of that section below it, and the line, as it moves along, drops down just a little bit. And now we'll just finish the lines at the top. So again, make sure they match the curvature of that section to the line above or below it. And finish it off with your stars. So you can either do something very simple, or you can give yourself some diagonal lines, and in between those put some stars for some good spacing, and then color it all in. One thing you do want to do is make sure you have an uneven amount of stripes, so your bottom stripe is red and the last stripe you finish off is red as well. I'm going to give this a quick color so you can fill that all in, but I encourage you to take more than one color and add some shading. So where the folds are in the flag that would cast a shadow, add that a little darker color. Maybe you're adding a little bit of brown to your red, or a darker red. Do the same thing to your flagpole, and I promise you it'll help your picture pop. Remember, lots of colors on top of each other create nice shading. Remember to say thank you to a veteran if you see one. Have a wonderful day. If you like this video, get a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get notified every time a new video comes out. And thank you again for drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.